gentlemen? So personally, my definition of being rich is not having to worry about money and stress out about it all the time. $5,000. When I had $5,000 in my bank account about 5 or 6 years ago, that's when I felt rich because I didn't think about money. It wasn't this constant burden weighing on me every single day, every single hour and minute. But what about you? You might have different goals and different dreams and different ideas and ideals of what rich means to you. But today I'd like to go over 7 signs that you will be rich someday. The first sign that you will be rich someday, it's a bug, exactly. I told you I was a baller, boys, is that you grew up poor. If and only if you don't use your situation or the fact that you don't have a lot of money be an excuse. Because in my opinion, there are 2 types of poor people. Those that use their situation as an excuse of why they can't achieve, why they can't work hard, why they can't do something. And the other type of poor person is somebody who is hungry, who's got drive, who's got motivation, is going to kick life's ass. The second sign that you will be rich someday is that you start making money at a young age. Maybe you've got a side job, maybe you're hustling, selling lemonade, cutting grass, whatever it is, or you got a side hustle on the internet. The beautiful thing about the time in which we live is that anybody can start a business. It doesn't matter the age. If you've got an idea, you've got an internet connection, you can do something amazing. In my opinion, when you earn something, when you work for money at a young age, it teaches you something as opposed to your parents just giving you or handing you everything, guys. There's something incredibly valuable about this, and I personally wouldn't change my situation growing up for anything. Third sign that you will be a baller, making it rain. If I had money, I would actually do that. Yeah, anyway, is that you can control your impulses to buy. If you're somebody who can control the impulse to go out and just spend and buy, if you've got $1 in your pocket, you're like hitting the road, what can I buy? Gentlemen, this is one of the signs that you will indeed be rich someday because you're able to control that urge, that impulse to go and spend money. One of the issues that I think a lot of you guys are probably facing is seeing a lot of these influencers and people online that are making a lot of money that are going out and just buying a bunch of stuff, buying new cars all the time, buying fancy clothes and watches and crazy things, right? This isn't reality. And I know that the impulse is there. I know that it's sexy. I know that it's glamorous, but there is nothing sexier or more glamorous than having cash in a bank account. Fourth sign that you will be a baller is that you look for deals. You know the value of $1. You know how hard it is to earn it. And so you don't want to just waste it. You look for deals. You look for coupons. You wait for sales. You hit the discount racks and you are a subscriber to Dollar Shave Club, today's video sponsor, and the best deal on razors in the history of razors. It's not just razors. Dollar Shave Club has everything for your grooming routine. And the best thing, guys, is the price. Every single Dollar Shave Club product that I have tried, everything from the shave butter to the razors to the face wash to the toothpaste to everything, is incredible. For those of you who have never tried or experienced the incredibleness of Dollar Shave Club, right now they've got an incredible deal. $5 including free shipping. You're gonna get the hydration starter set that includes 5 incredibly high quality badass blades, super sexy executive handle, 1 ounce tube of the Dr. Carver shave butter, plus a 1 ounce tube of the sage and black pepper shampoo and conditioner, along with a 1 ounce tube of the cedarwood mint face and body wash. Hit that link down below, dollarshaveclub.com/alpha. Grab one of the hydrating starter sets for $5, after which regular size products are gonna ship directly to your door at regular price. The other super cool thing about Dollar Shave Club is the more you buy, the more you save, which means you're gonna be saving more cash, which means you're gonna be balling sooner rather than later. Gentlemen, there's absolutely no reason not to be using Dollar Shave Club. They're gonna save you time, they're gonna save you money, and they're gonna keep your wallet fat as f. Fifth sign that you are gonna be rich someday is that you live below your means. So if you spend every dollar that you make, you are not living below your means. But if you make more money than you're spending and you're not overextending yourself on credit or buying things you can't afford, This is living below your means. In my opinion, this is one of the best things you can do in order to accumulate wealth. The sixth sign that you are going to be rich someday is that you're not afraid of hard work. And this is probably one of the most important aspects of building wealth, being successful, and ultimately being rich, whatever that means to you. You're not afraid to roll up your sleeves and get your hands dirty. You're not afraid to bust your ass and work super hard, because I got a secret for you. If you think for a second that you're going to be able to become rich if you're not willing to work hard, put in the time, put in the effort, gentlemen, you are smoking the good stuff, because there is absolutely no way that you're ever going to be successful if you're lazy, if you're taking a shortcut and you're not willing to bust your mother ass. And last but certainly not least, the seventh sign that you are going to be super freaking rich someday, hold on. You don't whine and complain. You just make it happen. Guys, this is hanging in my office. It says, nobody cares, work harder. And this honestly is something that I think you should live by. I live by anyway. Nobody cares about your excuses. Nobody cares that you don't feel well. Success doesn't wait for anybody. You've got to bust your ass. You've got to get up every single day determined to make a difference. Some days are going to suck. Some weeks are going to suck. And some days you're going to want to cry and give up. But those that are truly successful don't take the easy route. They don't complain. They don't whine. They just get theirself into the game and they swing at the pitches that are thrown. I think of life like a baseball game, and we only have one at bat, right? You're up, I'm up, we're all up, right? We're in our super sassy, sexy baseball uniform, right? We got a bat. And life is throwing us pitches, throwing us opportunities. My question to you is, are you going to be brave enough to swing the bat? Or are you going to be too scared and take balls and not willing to actually try? Gentlemen, sometimes you're going to swing and you're going to miss. That's life. Sometimes you're going to swing, you hit a foul ball. Sometimes you swing and you get a single. And once in a while, a double. And then occasionally, you're going to get a triple. And gentlemen, I'm here to tell you, if you're strong enough, if you're brave enough to swing the bat at life, occasionally you're going to hit a home run. You're up, gentlemen. My question to you, are you brave enough to swing the bat?